Thank you for joining me today for the Back to School YouTube Hop winner announcement that was sponsored by Country Craft Creations. First, the designers and I would like to thank you for joining us on this fun hop. And now we are ready to announce who the winners are. Our first giveaway was for a $25 gift card, and that was for those that commented on each of the videos. Now, let's see who the winner is. Kelly Overturf, 3244. Our next $25 gift card winner will be for the scavenger hunt, and that is Maria Ruiz. And our final giveaway is for a $75 gift card for a project creation. That was one of our projects that was shared on the hop. And the winner is Diane Weir. So congratulations, Kelly, Maria, and Diane. Please send an email to the address in the description box below by August 19th with your email so that we can get this gift card out to you. And once again, thank you all for joining us for the Back to School YouTube Hop. Don't forget that you can still go out and watch and follow along with the tutorials for all of these designs. Thanks again, everyone, and we'll see you next time.